Nandito na tayo sa car. Paalis na tayo. It's 9:27. So hopefully hindi naman traffic. So let's go. Okay, so palabas na tayo guys ng place namin, and dito parang medyo traffic pero hindi naman siguro yung pagdating doon. Marami lang kasing subdivisions and villages dito. So yun, wala kaming time na na kailangan. Well, 12 o'clock yung kanyang orientation, 12 p.m., 12 in the afternoon. Pero yun nga, magpapasama ako sa kanya what do you call that?
Get the gate pass.
Yeah, to get the gate pass. Kaya before ng 12 dapat ay tapos na kami. See you later. Talaga naman to.
Oh, that's why there's a crash. Accident. ISO.
May pasok na ata kasi guys ang grade school, kaya puno na naman po mga kaibigan, at double parking na nga po ang parking space dito.
Wow.
Ayan, naka-double parking na sila.
I don't think I've ever seen this before.
Sa dami. Charing. It's always like this kapag
When you come to pick me up.
pag nandyan pa yung elementary.
Out there's some college students too.
Okay. Orientation siguro nila or Schola Breve.
This road again. It's been so long.
3 months. Grabe naman na so long.
It's been a while.
3 months. May, June, July, August. So 3 months. Welcome Ateneo. Welcome Blue Eagles. Pero tomorrow pa naman
Magistop.
Magistop.
There's also Magistop today for grade 7. That's why there will be, the volume of cars today is high.
Pero they were asked na lahat ng pwedeng gawin online. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Lahat ng pwedeng gawing online ay dapat na yung gawing online kasi para mabawasan yung queue or yung lines. Kami kasi guys, what I did, I bought na the uniforms online para hindi na kami pipila ng pang-uniform dito. So, ang mangyayari lang sa amin tomorrow, actually nagplan na kami ahead ni Stan kung ano yung mga gagawin namin para what do you call that? Multitasking yung mangyayari sa amin tomorrow. So, while I'm getting the books, yung textbooks niya. Si Stan naman ay pipila na for the ID photo taking. Kasi alam ko, based on experience, lagi nga yung may pinakamahabang pila. Every time, hindi lang dito sa school na to, in all other schools, yan lagi yung mahaba yung pila kasi naghihintayan, ganyan. Kahit naman sa mga ano, 'di ba? Bakit ako nandito? 'Di ba dapat lalakad?
ISO.
Let me let's check na lang din baka kasi okay naman yung ano, parking. Parang ang ano na din,
Maybe you have to go around. Ay. There, guys. It says Majestic.
yan. So yung nakaschedule today ay grade 7. Tama ba?
Yes.
Grade 7 yung nakaschedule today.
Incoming grade 7.
Tapos, pati ata grade 8.
Incoming grade 8. So, yeah.
Oo, 7 and, I don't know. Grade 8 na pala ngayon kasi kahapon yung grade 7. July 31.
Yeah, because tomorrow's grade 9.
Oo, so tapos na yung grade 7, grade 8 na ngayon. Pero yun nga, hindi pa naman yun napupuntahan namin. Ang pupuntahan namin ay Car Pass.
Yeah, see.
Oh, dito ako.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here na guys. I'm already parked here sa may senior high school side kasi medyo marami ng tao. Anyway, ayun. So lalabas na kami ni Stan. Pupunta na kami dun sa car pass area. Kasama ko muna si Stan. Tapos
I think we have to go to the side. Yeah. Here, Campus Safety and Mobility Office. okay na dito yung Bonson. Gusto mo Bonson na lang. Yeah.
ordered mango bingsu, sour cream fries. Tapos Stan, one piece chicken, tamay rice. Tapos yung drink namin, iced tea, and ako bottled water. Bon appetit! Yay! Got them! Okay guys, so Stan is back. Pauwi na kami. Thank God. At tapos na. Yun lang. So we'll get back to you pagdating namin sa bahay. See you guys. Okay, so we're home guys. Done for today's tasks. See you in my next video. Siguro next week mag-upload ako ulit. Thank you. Have a good one guys. Bye. Good morning guys. Today is Friday. Okay, so today yung scheduled claiming ng textbooks, ng previous report card, and ID picture taking for the next school year's ID. So ngayon naka-schedule yun kay Stan. So pupunta na kami ngayon sa school. It's 9:26 a.m. 9:15. Yun. And ano naman, hanggang 12 si Stan ngayon. Wala pala akong lipstick na talaga. Okay, so yan guys, hopefully ay makarating kami doon ng 10 or kahit 10:15 basta bago mag-11. So yun, tapos yung mga go bag meron na kami noon. Kailangan ko lang i-refill yung mga expired na, like yung water and ano pa ba yung isa, yung energy bar na nag-expire din. Yun na lang yung mga kailangan naming refill. Tapos the rest, na-complete na namin yun before last school year. Lahat ng pwede pang gamitin, like yung mga hindi pa expired sa first aid kit, yung mga bandage na na pwede pa naman, na hindi naman nagamit, yung mga whistle, ano pa ba yung mga nandun? Basta yun, yung mga hindi nag-expire na pwede pang i-reuse, yun, naayos na namin sa kanyang go bag. So technically 3 tasks lang yung gagawin namin today.
Yep.
And then yung gate pass, yung sticker, natapos ko na yun kahapon nung nagpunta kami kahapon. Na-accomplish ko na yun. So yun. Okay, so we're here, park na. So pupunta na kami sa mga tasks namin. See you guys later. Standby.
Hi guys, we're done.
Hi, done!
Like 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
Parang 30.
Because everyone who came in early took way longer.
Okay guys. So, thank God, done na kami lahat ni Stan dun sa 3 tasks. So, nakuha ko ang card, ang report card. Nakuha namin yung textbooks. Although may kulang pa, to follow na lang daw yung ibang textbooks. Pero nakuha na ni Stan, and then nakuha na din, nakapag-ID photo na siya. So, nagawa namin lahat yung 3. Thank you, Lord. We're now going back home. It's too early to have lunch, 10:55.
You can have it at home.
Pwede na kami sa bahay na mag-lunch. So, ayan. Thank you, Lord. I think sila be careful with your choices. Ay, dyan. Hi guys, so done na. Pag-park na and akyat na kami sa bahay. Yun, thank you so much for watching and see you again in my next vlog. Bye! Bye, Stan!
Bye!